Hello, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a two-star Sudoku, and not in today's newspaper of Thursday, October the 20th, 2022. I've told you earlier in this newspaper, in today's newspaper, we have only one regular puzzle, Sudoku medium, no additional, no extra puzzles. So it's the additional of the Monday edition, Monday, October the 17th, 2022. I've already solved a one puzzle, the letter Sudoku, and two puzzles are left, the Sudoku with 2 stars and the tectonic with 1 star. I will continue now with the Sudoku with 2 stars. All right, 2 stars, and this will be number 5358. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 2 in this row? The 2 in the middle row. So on the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, okay, 2. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this second row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row. Only place left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in the third row. Third column, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 4. How about 1, 3, 6. How about 6, 1, 9. Come on. I'm 2. We have a 2 here, 2 there, 2 here. Yes, well, it's complicated. This move is complicated. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in the last row, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this second row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. Alright, Cannot continue with the 2 now, but we have 2 missing numbers now. In the third row, those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 1 goes there. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this row, so no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. It should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 5 in this column, first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. 5, 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. Oh, cannot continue with the 5 now. 2, 1, and 3. 2, 1, and 3. 8 in this column. 8 is... Oh, we have a pair. 5 and 8 in this column. 5 and 8 in the last column. So in the column between, only 2 places left for the 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 5 goes there. 5, 5. 5, 5. Okay. 8, 8. Interesting. 2, 1, 3. 7, I need 7. No, 9, 1, 6. Yeah, how about 6? 2 missing numbers in the first column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this first row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Alright. So we have 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. We have a 9 in this third column. 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. Okay, 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last row. 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Okay, 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column. No 4 there, 4 should be there. 4. Yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this last row. So no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Okay. One, two, three, four, five missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Okay. So 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 3, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, and look, we have a 1 and a 3 in the middle column. So no 1 and 3 in this box. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 8. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then the 5, missing the 5 here, missing the 7, 7, 1, 3, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. And look, we have a 3 in the middle row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 7 are missing. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there. All right. Okay. Then, let me see. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 there. I've eliminated 2 here, so the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Then let me see. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in the last column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then 1 box left in this middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square front of us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Final two numbers in this big square front of us. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there, finish in 50 minutes, exactly, wow, 15 minutes, so I'm very well pleased with the time, and I like this one, yes, I really do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the last puzzle in this Monday edition. Until then, bye bye for now.